On today's Fit to Eat, Chef Rob Stinson will show us how to make his rad brown rice cakes, complete with a creole twist. This side dish has the perfect balance of veggies and grain, making them pair well with just about any entree. First things first, we chop. Pour 1 cup of vegetable stock into a small pot. Use low salt or salt-free vegetable stock if you can. Bring the stock to a boil and add in half a cup of brown rice. Cover the pot and reduce the heat to a simmer. While the rice cooks, we can begin. Heat up a half teaspoon of oil in a pan. Next, add in what's called the Creole Trinity: onion, green bell peppers, and celery. Add in the red bell peppers as well to give the dish a little color. And finally, this is a fit-to-eat recipe, so you know what's coming next: garlic. Instead of using typical flour, we're using 2 ounces of finely grated cauliflower, which is about 4 flowerets. This will thicken up our mixture without adding any of the carbs or gluten found in everyday flour. Next, season everything with a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper and a half teaspoon of black pepper. Give everything a good stir, and then add in a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. Fresh oregano is better, but dried oregano will work just fine. Cook this mixture until the onions are translucent and the room is filled with a wonderful aroma. When the Trinity and the rice are finished cooking, it's time to start. Combine the veggie mixture and the rice in a separate bowl. Add in an egg white. This will act as the glue that will hold our rice cakes together. In a new pan, heat up a little bit of oil over a medium-high heat. Scoop up some of the rice mixture, compact it together, and carefully place it on the hot pan. Once the rice cakes are on the pan, don't move them. We want to make sure the rice cakes stay together as well as they can. When the bottom side is golden brown, flip them over and sear the other side. When both sides are golden brown, we'll have these excellent rice cakes that are fit to eat. If you'd like to see the full episode this recipe came from, visit mpbonline.org/fit-to-eat or follow the link in the description below. Chef Rob talks with Chef Enrica Williams, owner of Fauna Foodworks in Jackson. Together, they pair these rice cakes with an excellent Creole shrimp etouffee. For more fit-to-eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.